your eyewitness weather forecast.
Happy Monday to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. Weather headlines, well, we've still got some snow showers on tap for the week ahead. So a very winter-like pattern. Got the snow and snow shower chances, and that's independent. Snow with a storm system and then some snow showers. Lake effect snow bands likely developing behind that next storm system as well. But the cold air is sticking around. We really don't have a whole lot of warm air coming anytime soon. There should be some improvement, though, as we go through the latter part of next week. Tuesday into Wednesday, temperatures right near freezing, upper 20s, low 30s, low to mid 30s. So if we see some scattered snow showers around from time to time, could be some light accumulations, but of course heavier bands of lake effect snow would certainly produce a lot more snow. Syracuse in the low 30s, Utica 27, Albany 29 also in Scranton. Here's what we have going on radar satellite wise. Most of the lake effect bands have kind of pushed a little bit more to the southeast as opposed to that due west to due east fetch, which is of course carries a lot more of that Great Lakes moisture and pulls it into the clouds, and of course that's deposited as the lake effect snow bands once it comes on shore. But those bands now don't have quite as long of a fetch, so that cold air is not over that warmer water quite as steadily right now. So we do still have the chance for snow showers tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Things will quiet down Friday, a few more snow showers possible Saturday, also on Monday. 10-day temperature trend should be in the upper 30s. We'll have some improvement once we get through the rest of the week. Low to mid 30s tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, as cold as 25 Friday. And then we do work our way back up, 30s to some 40s next week. A cold front does come in, that drops us back down, mid 30s, low 30s, but at least we're trying to warm things up a little bit for a couple days early next week. Futurecast overnight tonight, you see the lake effect bands developing. Again, that orientation northwest to southeast type movement, so any bands that develop will have impacts mainly along the I-81 corridor and points back to the west. 25 degrees to start the day Tuesday morning. Some of those lake effect bands could come inland far enough that we have some snow showers toward Utica and down towards Norwich. Noon to the afternoon hours, things kind of taper off a bit snow-wise. 31 to start the day for a high temperature, rather, for Tuesday afternoon. Wednesday morning, a few more snow showers. Again, the orientation pushing some of those bands back farther north. 24 degrees to start off Wednesday, and then we see a little bit more system snow starting to develop, more of the snow associated with the area of low pressure and not just lake effect bands. 34 by Wednesday afternoon, so we'll have some snow around Wednesday night into Thursday, then things quiet down by Friday. And as we go through Wednesday, not looking for a ton of accumulation across most of the area, a couple of inches here and there, but we'll certainly see a better chance for snow accumulation with the actual storm system as we go into Wednesday night and early Thursday. Tonight we're back down to the teens to low 20s, a few snow showers in a few locations, partly to mostly cloudy skies elsewhere. And then tomorrow, looking for a partly to mostly cloudy sky to continue. Highs mid 20s to low 30s, and a few scattered snow showers around. Some could deposit an inch or so accumulation in a few areas. More snow showers coming up, especially Wednesday into Thursday. The weekend a little cooler, but also a little quieter. Temperatures should be in the mid 20s Friday. Try to get back near 40 by early next week. Back to you.
Thanks, Brian. Coming up after
Remarkable Woman in Your Life Today on CNYHomepage.com.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Happy Monday night to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. I'll have a chance for additional snow coming up this week. It's not going to be an all-day, every-day kind of scenario, but some lake effect bands will be hanging around for a couple more days, and then we have some system snow and actual area of low pressure coming in later on in the week. So a very winter-like pattern. We're going to have some chances for snow and then some lake effect snow showers, and cold air certainly going to be sticking around for a while, but by early next week we should see some improvement. Do have a winter weather advisory that goes pretty much along the Syracuse corridor here, and pretty much closer to Lake Ontario's, where that lake effect band has been kind of developing, and there's still a bit of fetch where we could see 4 to 7 inches of snow accumulate. That goes until 1 o'clock on Tuesday. Back to the west and south, of course, this is out of the viewing area, but still lake effect snow warnings in effect in a few locations where 12 to 20 inches of additional snow could fall by Tuesday afternoon. Could have some snow showers around tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the mid-20s to start the day, and then a mostly cloudy afternoon. Temperatures will be in the upper 20s, low 30s. That's it for high temperatures in the afternoon tomorrow. Next couple of days, upper 20s, low 30s, a chance for a few snow showers around. That same thing for Wednesday, low to mid 30s, maybe a couple degrees warmer, but we're not really going to warm up a whole lot this week. We have a chance for warmer temperatures, relatively warmer temperatures early next week. Mix of 20s and low 30s right now. Syracuse at 31, New Haven at 30, Burlington 28, Pittsburgh at 27. Radar and satellite showing the snow showers still coming off of Lake Ontario back to the west. That fetch, though, has shifted. Instead of a due west to due east orientation, orientation where those bands of snow will come onshore and still collect a lot of moisture as that cold air moves over the warmer waters. When the fetch is northwest to southeast, now that cold air doesn't spend as much time over the warmer water, so we don't see as much of those organized, really heavy convective bands of snow coming off the lakes. We still have a chance for snow showers all the way Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday a bit quieter. Saturday, Monday again a chance for a few scattered snow showers. Pretty much chances for snow off and on through most of this week. Low to mid 30s. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. By Friday we're back in the upper 20s. We do warm back up. Here's those lower 40s coming back early next week. Another front comes in and we start to cool back down. But at least we're going to get back to temperatures low 40s for a couple of days. Futurecast overnight tonight. Clouds and a few more of the scattered lake effect snow bands, and some of those impacting areas along the I-90 corridor and also the I-81 corridor. 25 by tomorrow morning as we head through the afternoon. We'll see some of those snow showers taper off a bit. 31 for a high temperature on Tuesday. Tuesday night into early Wednesday, we see a few more lake effect bands developing but getting pushed back up into Canada. 24 degrees for a morning low. But notice Wednesday we see a more organized system snow developing. That's when we'll have a better chance for more widespread accumulation. But again, not a major storm system, but some that enough that we could see some accumulation. So please be mindful about that later on in the week. Just through Wednesday, we're looking for an inch to maybe 2 inches in a few spots. But again, pretty sparse coverage, better chance for accumulation coming up later on in the week. For tonight, back down into the teens and 20s with that chance for snow showers closer to Lake Ontario. Then tomorrow, looking at highs mid-20s to low 30s, a few more scattered snow showers around. And yes, additional chances for snow showers through the rest of the week into the weekend. It's going to stay cold, mid-20s on Friday, trying to warm back up to near 40 by early next week. Back to you.
Thanks, Brian. Coming up next, I've got